Welcome! Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the artichoke. How to buy it, prepare it, and enjoy eating it. The artichoke might look intimidating, but it's one of the most rewarding vegetables to cook and eat. Let's start with the basics. Believe it or not, the artichoke is actually the edible flower bud of a thistle plant. If left to bloom, it turns into a stunning purple flower. Originally cultivated in the Mediterranean, artichokes have been enjoyed for centuries. Today, they are grown worldwide, with California being a major producer in the US. Knowing how to select and store your artichokes properly is key to a delicious meal. Let's look at what makes a perfect fresh artichoke. When shopping, choose an artichoke that feels heavy for its size, has tightly packed leaves, and a vibrant, deep green color. Avoid those with dry or split leaves. To keep them fresh, sprinkle your artichokes with a little water, seal them in an airtight plastic bag, and refrigerate them. They can last up to a week this way. Preparing an artichoke can seem complicated, but I promise it's quite straightforward once you know the steps. Grab your knife and let's get started. First, trim the sharp tips off the leaves and slice off the top inch of the artichoke. Also trim the stem, but leave about an inch to help it stand during cooking. If you're using just the heart, scoop out the fuzzy center, called the choke. To prevent browning after cutting, rub the exposed parts with lemon. There are several ways to cook an artichoke, and the method you choose depends on the flavor and texture you're after. Here are the most popular methods. Steaming is the most common and easiest method. Simply steam the artichoke for 30 to 45 minutes until a leaf pulls out easily. This results in a tender and mild flavor. For a richer, smoky flavor, try roasting or grilling. Cut the artichoke in half, brush with oil and seasoning, and cook until tender and slightly charred. Now for the fun part, eating. If you're new to this, knowing the right technique can make all the difference. Artichokes are best enjoyed with a dip. Melted butter, mayonnaise, or a creamy aioli sauce are classic choices that perfectly complement the flavor. Peel off the outer leaves one by one. Dip the fleshy end into your sauce, then pull the leaf between your teeth to scrape off the tender flesh. Once you reach the heart, you can eat the whole thing. Beyond being delicious, artichokes are packed with nutrients and have some surprising history and benefits. Artichokes are rich in fiber, vitamins C and K, and magnesium. They are great for digestive health and are surprisingly low in calories. The heart is the most prized part of the artichoke. It's what gives artichokes their unique, slightly sweet flavor and is often used in gourmet dishes. Now you know everything you need to about artichokes. Don't be afraid to try cooking one this week. Happy cooking!